Greetings, all I and I's. How are all the I's doing out there on this lovely day? Today is Fun Fridays. This is where we do our creative crafts, our nature-based crafts, our learning crafts, and whatever we decide to do on Fun Fridays. So today, this full video is going to be on Patreon. So we're just doing bits and pieces today with our YouTube family. So you can do creative things with your family, fun creative things with your family. So we are going to be doing a scrapbook, a fun, creative, nature-based scrapbook within the things that we find through magazines, doing little creative arts, the things that we find in nature and all of that. I've been starting this way before Egypt was born. I carried this book throughout our whole journey abroad, whatever. We've been carrying this and capturing this journal for like ever since she was born and before she was born. So I have some pictures of us, and I had like during my little baby shower or whatever, people writing some notes and stuff to her and all of that, and I'll show y'all in depth a little later. I guess I can show y'all a little bit. We have some notes people wrote, some things that I found, little scraps and stuff we found in nature. I did get an ultrasound with her, so I have like some of her ultrasounds. These are some things that I cut out of a magazine. So we have some words: hydrate and glow, fun and games. We have some pictures of nature. This is like a vision journal. Like, how people have vision boards and stuff like that. We have a vision life journal. So we have passion, channel your inner passion, or whatever I want to put right there. Here we go, boost your spirit. We have the word November. So I'm going to be finding stuff in the magazine and cutting out stuff, and then I'm going to have Egypt glue it down and stuff like that. We have February. So this is some nice stuff that you can do with your family. What other words we got? We have another February. We have nature. So we have nature in there, of nature, stuff like that. What word is this? We have letters. We have a strip of this beautiful flower. So we're going to just be gluing stuff down. Drawing. We have some bit is going to go on here on YouTube, and then we're going to be, so we got some magazines. I'm going to be cutting some stuff out. We're going to put all of the stuff that I cut out right here. We're going to be making words and a little nature, a little vision journal. This is our vision journal that we're doing. Alright, so draw on here, and then I'm going to cut it out. See, this is heart. You have a heart you can put on there. I'm going to just pass her some stuff to glue on. Is there the stuff that you can glue down over there? There's different stuff. This is purple. This is blue. You can do like so I have hydrate and glow. What's this a picture of? Like some animals. You can do animals. The words, I'm going to make something with the words. It says, feel the love, love the feel. Feel the love the feel. So I'm going to be going through all of these magazines. So if you have old magazines, even if you go to, I don't know, go somewhere where they're just giving out free magazines and free books and stuff, you can do this with your children. So you have one that says dream, natural beauty. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. We're gonna do one page, and then y'all gonna have to see the rest on Patreon, because I'm gonna go live on Patreon. That's good. So yeah, let's look at these magazines and see what pops out at us. Here's like some grass. I love me some grass. I love green.
I love pears.
You love pears?
Yes. I love cherries.
See, so I have some grass. You have grass right there. Let's see what else they talking about up in these magazines, y'all. Omega. Y'all know what omega is, right? Alpha, omega, phi. So omega is really powerful. That's a powerful ohm. And it has the omega symbol. So we want to bring in the new year with creativity, with fun, with excitement and joy. We want to carry this journal throughout our whole life that we're doing for inspiration, creativity, meeting the moment. So I see some just says meeting the moment. This is a fun, cool way to do a vision board. Do a vision journal so you can have it and bring it with you at all times. And it's small. You can carry it in your backpack, in your bag, in your luggage.
Carry your backpack and carry this too.
Yeah.
Carry your backpack and don't fall out things. And you gotta zip your backpack.
Yeah, zip your backpack so it won't fall out.
Yes, and this don't fall out too.
So own your moment. I like that, own your moment, even though it's talking about this has got some cigarettes on here, but we're gonna own our moment. So this is perfect for us to own our moment. So we're gonna cut out this, own our moment, meeting the moment, owning the moment.
Yeah.
Good
This
job.
is big heart. This is big heart.
And what's those say?
Big heart.
Introducing love, introducing peace. What else you want to cut? Create the beauty that moves the world.
Cycles.
Boom, that's perfect. The world, we are beauty, we are beautiful, we are love, we are excitement. So we have create the beauty that moves the world. The word passion, I can just slide it in right there. Because this particular protective sheet or whatever screen sheet, they have like little bitty pockets. Like, see, I'll zoom in for y'all, but see, this is a pocket right here, a pocket right there, a pocket right here, and a pocket right there. So I just did the word passion.
It's your power.
Passion, and then this one, believe in yourself, passion. Alright, you're gonna have to glue yours down on that paper. Freshness, upgrade. I like that. I like that saying. A point of view is meant to be shared. We are sharing our point of view. All 2026, we are sharing our point of view. Everything is meant to be shared. So this is meant to be shared. See? Your point of view is meant to be shared. So even we can do the back side of it. See, put this right here. Better garden, hydrate and glow. Own your moment. We're gonna have better gardens. Food of love, passion, a point of view is meant to be shared. That's my name, ElSea Jahzen. I found it in the nature did this. Natural beauty. We're putting out different flowers. So put right here and right